Tired of getting that server is reserved for a game lobby message every time you try to kick off a match in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer? Well, don't sweat it. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to squash that problem and get back to wrecking your opponents like a boss. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now, here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now, type in ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int-ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. End Steam's process. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now, in the search bar here, type in Steam. Next, right-click on Steam 32-bit and select End Task from the context menu. After that, close the Task Manager and check if that helped with the issue. Solution 3. Verify and repair CS2. To do this, first click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on Steam and select Exit Steam. Once it's done, open up the File Explorer. Then go to your C drive. After that, open up the Program Files x86 folder and then the Steam folder. Next, go to the User Data folder and then to the folder with the numbers. Now, from here, delete the 730 folder and close the window. Next, open up Steam. Then go to your library. After that, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 from the left side menu and select Properties. Next, click on Install Files from here. Now, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and Steam would start verifying and repairing the game. After that, the issue should be gone. But if you are still getting the error, don't send any invites or accept any invites before getting in the queue, as that would create a lobby and you must leave the lobby before getting in the match. So that's how you fix the server is reserved for a game lobby error in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video helped with this, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks a bunch for watching.